Hey viewers, we are back with another video. Hope you all are doing great and welcome back to our channel Techno Qasim. So guys, today's video we are having an educational review on MyPal, the project where you can get the physical and virtual cards. The cards is totally free, guys. I will tell you how you can use it for debit, credit, different kind of shoppings, and also you can do the withdrawal from ATMs using their physical cards. So guys, before doing the video guys, we have to tell you this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor. So guys, always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we have to move out of the project and begins our review. So guys, we are on the mobile screen. You can check out in my left corner guys, that is the website and app you can download directly via Play Store and App Store. I will provide the link in the description as well. Simply you can write the MyPal on the Play Store, that is available too. And guys, the registration process is very simple. Simply put your email, password, verification code with the invite code and click on the sign up. Then you can guys simply register your account on the platform. So guys, first of all, I again tell you that is just an educational review. So first of all guys, we have to check the MyPal interface where you can check out there guys option. You can check out the balance as well. First of all guys, you have to do your KYC in it. The KYC is very simple. Just click on the KYC. So guys, for the KYC you can simply click on the verify button, and then guys you can simply get the country regions which you want to belong. Select it, your name, the last name, your type, your number, and simply guys you need to click on the guys submit button. Then guys simply the next phase is to guys complete your verification through guys your ID cards and your face verification, and this way your verification will be completed. Kind of guys things are need to be done. I already completed my KYC before. So first of all guys, you need to simple select your country in it and then put your informations, confirm guys via ID card or your guys kind of passport or driving license. So that is a very simple method to complete your KYC here. And then guys simply you need to do guys it kind of things like if you wanted to purchase guys their cards, that is totally free. I need to tell you in this guys video. Simply here you can check out the two guys things of card here, like a physical card and a virtual card. So as the physical card is guys you can check out the totally free. You can check out, and if you wanted to guys get the card, simply guys put the details there, and then that will be guys up to you. And then guys we can go for our virtual card, that is also available. But before guys you can do your KYC, and then guys simply you can apply for a card here. So first of all I need to tell you, you can if you wanted to do the top up, the methods are available like BP and TRC. That will be guys simple procedure. So I already did my deposit, like you can check out the 13 in my account. So first of all we need to click on the exchange button, and then we need to guys convert into the USD where we can guys get our funds, so we can get guys our card. So now guys we need to click on the card button, then guys we need to click on the virtual card, and then guys apply for a card. The simply guys code will be given to us. Now guys we need to click on the confirm button and click on the complete. So guys our card is given to us. You can check out that is the card. Now guys we need to click on the activate button. So guys before we can go for activate, you can check out the 5 kind of coupon guys will be available to us. You can check out that is the guys coupon. So we simply click on guys 5, and now guys we need to click on the confirm button. Now the recharge is successfully done in our guys balance. You can check out. So it will be guys activating guys in a few seconds. So guys our card is successfully upgraded. You can check activated, sorry. So now guys you can check out the top up balance here. Our account balance is showing there. So if you wanted to see your CVV here, simply guys you need to click on the guys code button. So we will get the code here. Check out our CVV things. Now guys, I need to do one thing. If you wanted to purchase something there, so guys, we can go for it. Like if you purchase the stars on guys Telegram, so simply guys, we can go for a Telegram and click on the star button. We can click on there and select the stars, and then guys, we need to add our details here. Like if you wanted to purchase the 100 stars, we need to guys put the things here guys. So guys, after it you can check out, we can go for buy now, and then guys processing will be completed, and we will guys get guys, you can check out the payment is guys our successfully, and you can check out that is unlocked for us. So guys, that is a very guys important thing you can check out here, and our deposit is done. You can check out everything is guys done. That is guys my pal, you can get for different kind of shoppings and different kind of guys guys things to use it for yourself. As here guys, we can check out the remittance detail, or you can click on the transfer. You can check out the many almost every country is available here. You can check out global and guys like different kind of continents, Asia, Europe, every country is available. Simply guys, you need to click on your country. Like we click on this one, you can check out and remit in guys different kind of accounts like banks and others. Simply guys, you need to click via company or guys personal, so you can get easily here. You can put out your details like beneficiary and account details. That will be done in a simple way. So guys, that is a simple process about remittance. That is our video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's meet in the next video guys. Goodbye.